Find the square root of 36 upon 5 up to 2 decimal places. Means basically you have to find not square root of this, you just have to find square root of 36 upon 5 up to 2 decimal places. So how do we solve this? First solve this 36 upon 5. 5 ones and 5, 7.2. That is and this square root we have to find. Now up to 2 decimal places. Remember how to solve this. Point here, 7.2 here, and we want 2 decimals. So we always, square root means we have to make groups of 2. So 20 and 0 0. Okay. Don't mark this 7.2 as one group. Before the point there should be groups of 2 2, and after the points there should be groups of 2 2, right? So point 7 just make it 0 7, and 22 make it 20 and 0 0. So let's start now. 2 to the 4, it should be less than 7, so here it is. Then 46, 4 remains. How to try this? 4 and 32, right? Divide this 4 8s, so it just try with 48 first. 48 8s, it would be higher, so come down. Always divide first number by first number and you will get approximately the required number. 1 or 2 numbers here and there. So 46 you get it. So 276, 44 0 0 now. 44 and this 0 0 brought down. 52 and 44 0 0. So first with first. So 4 with 5 not possible. So 44 with 5. Here 5 8s. So try 528 into 8. You may get this number. Sure, by luckily you got it, but somewhere you may not get it. So just try 527 then, 529 then, whatever it is. But generally this gives you the range where you have to try. Okay, so you get 2.68. So that is the required answer. Up to 2 decimals only it's required. Next, the least positive integer with which 661